See the Raspberry Pi display, the car display here, and we will control it with this remote. You can see here, it will go, it will rotate, it will backward, left, right, pivot left, pivot right, and you can see here the all display. Here you can go. Let me see you my face on the camera. You can see here the display of our Raspberry Pi in my laptop. As I told you that you can open the Raspberry Pi camera on any device which support internet. So this is it. So now I am gonna upload the code and you will see. So here you go. This is the avoidance and it avoidance. You can see. You can see. You can see. You can see. So here it is, viewers. You can see our car is avoiding the obstacle very good. So function. You can see the display here, and there you go. This is the path I make. I know it's a little dirty. You can make. You are very beautiful. Okay, so here you go. The car is now I am controlling it with like remote control. The first function of our car, which is the first function of our car. So here you go. So now I am gonna place it on the line. So here you go. So now I am going to start the second function, which is the line folding function. So here you go. So now it's time to check the next function of our Raspberry Pi. The next function, I install the Google Assistant in Raspberry Pi and attach a Bluetooth speaker with Raspberry Pi. We know that Raspberry Pi have its own Bluetooth module, so we don't have any and need any external device. So for communication, I am using the USB mic. So here you go. If you say okay Google, then she will reply you. Okay, so let's start. Okay Google, what is the capital of China?
Beijing is the capital of China.
Okay Google, what is the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan.
Very good. What is the time now?
It's 6:23 p.m.
Very good. So here you can ask more questions like what is the weather? So here you go. Okay Google, what is the weather today?
Tonight in Faisalabad, the forecast is for a high of 92 and a low of 82 with thunderstorms. Currently it's 93 degrees and partly cloudy.
Very good. So this is the next function of our car.